Okay, let's now go to the briefing of Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte.
Rallies. But in the guidelines from now on, all rallies should have permits from the local government. If they do not want to apply for a permit, they conduct their rally in the Freedom Park.
Mayor, will curfew be lifted?
Wala pa. As of now, what we have is we discourage minors from going out in the evening unless it is an emergency and they are accompanied by an adult. We are waiting for the parameters to be set by the AFP and the Office of the President, and we are waiting for the President to arrive so that we can go through the proclamation of martial law so that we can add additional guidelines to what we already have this afternoon. The BE, ma'am? So, 5 to 5. 5 to 5. 5 to 5. Yes? Discourage lang man. Discourage. It's not a violation of any ordinance or barangay ordinance or law, but we discourage the parents from allowing their minor children to go out in the evenings.
Yung
pag-travel from house to house, hindi siya allowed?
We encourage body system. We understand the iftar is conducted in the evening, wala pa'y sun. So, yes, we encourage our Muslim brothers and sisters who will conduct their iftar in the evenings to conduct a body system. So may kasama, papunta at pabalik sa bahay nila. Yes, oo. Yes, ma'am.
What's the purpose of the body system? Is it to prevent violation of
wala man. Because ma'am, we do not know kung sino ang sa ngayon hindi natin alam kung sino ang kalaban natin na nasa loob. Violence may escalate anytime. That is one of the points that was discussed last night. That violence may escalate inside Davao City or problems may come in to Davao City. So, isa yon sa mga kine-consider natin. That's why we are asking everybody to secure themselves.
Nag-goal na ba ang MNLF sa inyo regarding security that they are willing to help coordinate with the city government for the situation?
Wala pa may nag-discuss sa MNLF. Best if the MNLF can coordinate with the Armed Forces of the Philippines since situation of martial law, ang AFP ang lead organization who will execute the things that are needed to conduct a martial law. Yes. Sa lockdown last night, nobody can go out and come in of Davao City. So in-adjust na namin yan ngayon. We are doing a hold and secure, increased security measures inside Davao City and going into Davao City, considering that there are incidents happening outside of Davao City. So what we are doing now is preventing the violence from coming in to Davao City and preventing violence from erupting inside the city.